guys, Dream here, and today me and Ink, yes, Ink is still a little sick, but Ink is still a little sick and all, but it's fine. He said that he will, react to this video with me, because sure, he might sound a little sick, but yeah, he's actually coming right now. Hey guys, it's Ink here, and yeah, so jeez, sorry guys, just have a little common cold, it's fine. So yeah, me and Dream are going to react to the video, Two Birds on a Wire. So yeah, let's, sorry, begin.
Birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches them close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand. Two birds on a wire. One says come on, and the other says I'm tired. The skies overcast, and I'm sorry. One more or one less, nobody's worried. I'll believe it all. There's nothing I won't understand. I'll believe it all. I won't let go of your hand. Two birds of a feather say that they're always gonna stay together, but one's never going to let go of that wire. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close from that wire. Says he wants.
Wait, sorry to interrupt the video, but Ink is just sort of ran away for a moment. I don't know what he's doing. Ink, you okay? I'm fine, just freaking, jeez. I just backed away a bit, because I don't want to get you sick too. You can sit next to me, I don't mind. You're not right? Nightmare can just cure it too. If you say so. There, see? You don't have to back away. If not, how can you react to the video? Right, sorry. Sorry.
As well, but he is a liar. Two birds on a wire. tries to fly away, and the other.
Wait, guys. Wait. Sorry, guys. Okay, well, that's it. This video. So, okay, so that's it for this video. And make sure to subscribe for more. And I think it's getting me sick. So, next time I might sound a little sick, I guess. I don't know, because I think it wasn't that good of an idea to get ink next to me because now I'm getting sick. Why? I don't know why I decided that, but it's fine. So, yeah. Hope you all enjoyed and subscribe for more videos like this, and comment down below what Sanses you want to react to, anything you all want them to react to. And yeah. And like the video if you enjoyed. Bye-bye.